2024-2025 support seminar paper 1, part B, second section. In the question they have mentioned, in the square-shaped plot of land, 14 meters. When they say square-shape, you should realize all four sides will be 14, which means the diameter of the semicircle will be 14, radius will be half of that, which will be 7. Entire thing will be 14, radius will be half of that. Then red rose plants are grown in a semicircular portion. Red roses are grown in the semicircular part. Here the red roses are grown. Whose diameter as the side of the square. White rose plants are grown in the remaining part. Here white roses are grown. Then first question, Roman number 1. Find the radius of the plot where red rose plants were grown. We want to find the radius. Radius will be 14 divided by 2. 14 divided by 2, which will be 7 centimeters. That will be the radius. Second one, find the area of the plot where the red rose plants were grown. To find the area, we should use the formula. Area of the sector will be theta over 360 times pi r square. Theta value will be 180. 180 over 360 times pi will be 10 to the power 7. R will be 7 centimeters times 7 centimeters because it's r squared. You can simplify 18 times 1, 18 times 2, 7 times 1, 7 times 1, 2 times 1, 2 times 11. 7 times 11, 77 centimeters squared, which will be the area of the sector. Formula C I have given. So we'll move to the next part. A fence is constructed along each border. Along each border means there are how many borders? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 borders are there. A plot of land where rose plants are grown. Find the length of that fence. Then that length will be, all the four borders are 14. 14 times 4 plus the arc length. Arc length formula is what? Theta over 360 times 2 pi r. This part, what are this arc sector? This length should also be taken. That's the arc length because there will be a fence in that range also. So for that formula, theta is 180 over 360 times 2 times pi will be 10 to the power 7. Radius will be 40 to radius will be 7 meters. Then we can cancel the same, like we can simplify further. 7 times 1, 7 times 1, 2 and 2 will cancel. 14 times 4 will be 10 times 4, 40. 4 times 4, 16, 56. 56 plus 22, 78 meters. Yes. So we'll see there. Did we write centimeters or meters? Centimeters, ne? It's meters, Sutta. It should be meters. Meters squared. It's given in meters. Okay. Then yes. So that fence will be 78 meters. Roman number 4. As in the section where the red rose are planted. As the section where red roses are planted is a rectangular shape, which means they are going to make it a rectangle. Okay. it is in a rectangular shape, it is intended to remove the white rose plants. So they want to make this semicircular part to a rectangle by removing white rose. They won't be removing red roses. They will be removing only white rose plants. If they remove white rose, if they want to make it a rectangle, the minimum possible way is they should draw a line like that. Beyond that, they can draw, but the minimum possibility is what? They should be drawing a line like touching this circle as a tangent, like similar as a tangent. So that's the minimum possible way. Why it can't be drawn inside? Like, why can't we draw it like this? Inside the red rose things? Because they are mentioning only they are removing white rose plants. If we do like that, we should remove these red rose plants also. So the minimum possibility is drawing a line like this. These parts will be removed and red rose will be planted. So what they're going to do, remove white rose plants from a part of 21 meters. This amount of white rose will be removed where and plant red rose, and they will be planted with red rose. This was the earlier one. This is the old. This is the new one. Okay. Then draw the total area proposed to grow red rose on the diagram. Then the total area we should take. What will be the total area? Existing area of the red rose plus, we'll do it in the same orientation. Existing area of the red rose plus this is the sector 21. Existing area is how much? We found it once. What is it? 77. Area of the red rose. This is 77 area of the sector. So 77 plus 21, which will be 98 meters squared. It will be the new area. And this will be what? This will be a rectangle, isn't it? This will be a rectangle. That rectangle, what do we know? We know the side length, which will be 14, but we don't know the width. So I mark it as x. 14 times x. This 98 will be 14 times x. I don't know what will be the width of this. Then to find the answer for x, therefore x will be 98 divided by 14. So when we divide both sides by 14, 14 times 1, 14 times 7. Yes. 7 times 14, yes. So 14 times 1, yes, 14 times 7. X will be 7 meters, which means the thing which we drew is correct. 7 meters is the line. Why it will be 7 meters exactly? Because this is the radius. Radius will be 7 meters. Then it will be exactly passes touching that semicircle. 7 meters will be the answer. Then find the length reduced from the fence if it is restricted after the above mentioned change. Somehow they ask him what is the reduce length reduced. Length reduced means we want to find the reduction in the length. Earlier, what was the length? Earlier, it was a curve. This is the old one. Now it changed up to a straight line. So we should find the difference. Earlier curve length was what? 22. Yes. The curve length is 22. This is the sector part, arc length. Arc length is 22. Arc length is 22. We change this length. It changed to the straight line. Straight line length is 14. That's the only difference. All the other sides are remaining the same. In the when we take the fence, that fence only changed. Earlier it was a semicircular fence, then it became a straight line. So 22 minus 14 will be 6 plus 2, 8. Yes. 8 meters. That's the difference. I think it's clear.